Hi. Just got off from dropping the kids off at school and getting ready to think of what I want to make for dinner tonight, and picked up my mail and we got our new Netflix. Let's see which film we'll be watching this evening. Definitely Maybe. Will Hayes, played by Ryan Reynolds. Such a handsome fellow. Is getting a divorce. Ooh, heavens. Prompting his precious 11-year-old daughter Maya, I always loved that name, to ask how her parents met. As Will relates his romantic history, Maya tries to guess which of the three women in his story would someday become her mother: college sweetheart Emily, best friend April, or free-spirited journalist Summer. Can't wait to find out who it is. This Netflix thing. It's pretty new, but it's pretty interesting to get a new movie every day whenever you want. I love it.